Hi, I'm Sandy Belcher, the creator of Tutti Cutie Tutus, and today I like to show you how I take photos of my tutu dresses and edit them. So the first thing you'll do is put your dress on something to be presentable. I'll put mine on the mannequin I have. And then you'll want to go to a room that has good lighting. You'll want to put the dress opposite side of where the window is. Also, you'll want to put it to where there's a plain background. I chose this white door. Or you can take it outside. That's the best lighting actually, is outside. Just make sure it's not in the sun. Make sure it's in the shade. But after that, you'll want to comb the dress out nicely and make it look as good as you possibly can. Then what I do is edit the picture from your phone. Some phones are probably different than mine, but I like to use these filters here. And I choose this, it's called Lolly. But if you do not have that, then you can obviously make it a bit brighter if you think it needs to be brighter. And contrast makes it pop out a little better. Shadows. Just keep messing around till you think it looks really nice. Always make the colors a bit more saturated, because for some reason my phone seems to make it look a bit lighter than, and not as bold of the colors that it actually is. So I do adjust the saturation some. Do that. Save it. And you want to crop it down to about like I did here. So then there's two apps I use. If you don't like your background that you took the picture from, you can put fake backgrounds. So I use Photo Room. You'll click Start from Photo. Then you'll choose the picture that you just took. And what it does is it will automatically take out the background. And you can just use like this plain white one here. Or you can choose black background, or this one right here makes it to where you can put any background you like. So I can choose background and then change background. And they give you some already. They're not the greatest. They're okay though. And you can type in things like wood. So there's a lot of cool things. But what I did, I went to Google and I typed in white wood background. And I downloaded the picture off of Google. So you'll go find the picture that you downloaded. So I chose this white wood background. And you can actually adjust things from that. I like this, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. It's the top corner here. And then don't worry about the Pro watermark. So you save it to the gallery. So I went to my gallery here. And what you want to do is you'll crop out this watermark. So that's the way around that. And just save it. Photo Room is a really good app if you don't have any backdrops. The next app I like to use, and this is for putting my shop name on the picture. You go to Add Text. It's on the Play Store. And then you'll go to your photo and you'll enter your shop name here. Tutti Cutie Tutus. And then you'll want to position it where you want it. And sorry about that. You go to fonts down there. And let's see, my favorite one to use is Dancing Script and Playball. So I like Dancing Script the most. And you can make it smaller, bigger. Then you go to opacity. I think that's how you say it. And then you can like adjust how transparent it is. I like it about like that. And you'll just save it. I found this is the most easiest way to do my photos. It's on my phone. I used to use my professional camera I have and use like Photoshop and everything, but these are just as good. These days cameras are a lot better on phones than they used to be, so this saves a lot of time. And there are loads of backgrounds you can use. It's always nice to be able to do everything from your phone. This will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye!